fixing the no internet connection error on the Temu app. Title: How to fix Temu no internet connection error, step by step. Intro: Are you seeing a no internet connection error on your Temu app? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Step 1. Check your internet. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and working. Try opening another app or website to confirm your internet connection. Step 2. Restart the Temu app. Close the Temu app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Step 3. Clear cache and data. On your phone settings, go to Apps, Temu, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, log in again. Step 4. Update the app. Check the Google Play Store or App Store for updates. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix connection bugs. Step 5. Reinstall Temu. If the problem continues, uninstall the Temu app and reinstall it. This refreshes the app and removes any glitches. Step 6. Try another network. Lastly, try switching to another Wi-Fi or mobile data network to see if the error disappears. Outro. And that's it. That's how you fix the no internet connection error on the Temu app. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more app tutorials.